Hello everyone, we are going to explain about our project. Our project title is Fisherman Tracking System using IoT. The introduction is the fishing industry plays a vital role in the global economy. So there are many challenges including safety risk, resource depletion and regulatory compliances. So you need to provide an innovative solution for that. The next is abstraction. So in this project we used an IoT technology, which is Internet of Things. So in that it is used to monitoring the fishing vessels, providing invaluable data for both fishermen and authorities. So we are also using integrated GPS sensors and communication devices. Next is existing system. In that existing system, there are many risks. That existing system failed to provide an comprehensive data for the decision making of the fishermen. So it is more difficult for them. So in proposed system, we gave the clear information about location, weather conditions and vessel status to the central server. So which is the web server the fisherman can view, and it is user friendly interface for the fisherman, and it is very easy for them to avoid going to the border, avoid crossing borders.
I can explain the system models, IoT device integration, data transmission and centralized data processing, user interface development, and last one is geofencing and alerts. System configuration, IoT devices, GPS module, sensor, communication module, server infrastructure, software, embedded firewall for the IoT devices, server-side software for data processing, web or mobile application development for user interface, network, internet connectivity for data transmission and communication between server. That's
Advantages. I am going to explain about the advantages and disadvantages. In advantages, improved safety, real-time tracking and emergency alerts enhance the safety of fishermen at sea. Resource management, better managing fishing resources and comply with regulation through accurate data collections. Environmental sustainability, minimize environmental impacts by monitoring fishing activities and enforcing sustainable practices. Disadvantage, in disadvantage, initial cost is implementation and the setup cost may be significant, especially for small scale fishermen. Technical challenges, maintenance and technical system enterprises are required for maintaining IoT devices and system infrastructures. Data privacy and security, rich associated with the collections and storage of sensitive data requiring robust security measures. Connectivity issues, reliance on internet connectivity may pose challenges in remote or offshore areas. That's all about disadvantages.
And at the end of conclusion, the fisherman tracking system using toward representative and significant advancement in the fishing industry and offering a benefits in safety, efficiency and sustainability. By harnessing a power of IoT technology, the system addressed critical challenges faced by a fisherman and authorities, paving the way of more transparent and productivity and environmental responsible for fishing ecosystem. And despite some challenges, the potential long-term benefits far outfish the initial roadblocks, making it a future of fishing. Thank you.